sun glints off the polished chrome of a floating masterpiece, one of the world's most extraordinary displays of wealth and technology. This is the 2025 Billionaire's super yacht, a symbol not just of success, but of limitless imagination brought to life on the open sea. It stretches well over 400 feet, longer than a football field, and every inch of it is tailored with obsessive detail. The hull slices silently through crystal-clear waters as if the yacht is weightless, while on board, an entirely different world unfolds. This isn't just a boat. It's a private palace, a high-tech fortress, a floating resort, and a global command center, all in one. Designed by world-renowned naval architects and built by elite shipyards in Northern Europe, this yacht cost an estimated $500 million to construct, but its real value lies in its engineering, customization, and the jaw-dropping features packed within. It takes a team of over 100 craftsmen and engineers working for years to bring this dream to reality. The exterior is futuristic. Smooth, seamless lines, metallic finishes, and floor-to-ceiling glass that reflects the sky like a mirror. The yacht is powered by a hybrid propulsion system, blending diesel-electric engines with hydrogen fuel cells, making it one of the cleanest mega vessels in the ocean. It cruises silently at 20 knots, but can sprint to 30 when needed. Step inside and you're greeted by an atrium that rivals any five-star hotel lobby. A marble staircase spirals around a kinetic sculpture, light flowing in from a skylight 3 stories above. The interior design, a fusion of minimalism and ultra-luxury. Think rare Italian marble, African hardwoods, Japanese silk wall panels, and furniture that looks like modern art. The yacht features 8 guest suites, each more opulent than the last, with floor-to-ceiling ocean views, king-sized beds, private balconies, and bathrooms that look like they were teleported from a luxury spa in Dubai. But the owner's suite is on another level, occupying an entire deck, with its own private jacuzzi, cinema, fireplace, and even a secret elevator. Speaking of elevators, there are 4 on board, connecting all 6 decks. The yacht features a fully equipped hospital wing with an on-call doctor, a certified helipad that transforms into a golf driving range, and a glass-bottomed swimming pool that lights up at night like a private underwater galaxy. For those who live at sea, privacy is everything. That's why the yacht is equipped with military-grade security systems, facial recognition cameras, motion detectors, encrypted communication systems, and even an anti-drone dome that can disable nearby surveillance devices. Then there's the entertainment, a full movie theater with plush reclining chairs and Dolby Atmos sound. A virtual reality gaming lounge. An onboard nightclub with an international DJ booth and soundproof walls. Outside, there's a multi-sport court that transforms into a yoga deck, a retractable beach club with direct ocean access, and an underwater viewing lounge with 180-degree glass panels that make you feel like you're scuba diving without getting wet. The yacht has its own wine cellar with bottles dating back to the 1800s, a cigar room with hand-rolled options from Cuba, and a humidor controlled by an AI climate system. The crew lives in style too. Each member has private quarters with high-end finishes and access to their own gym and lounge area. It takes a team of 40 to run this vessel smoothly, including chefs trained in Michelin star kitchens, engineers who've worked on submarines, and butlers who know your coffee order before you ask. Every detail is fine-tuned. A private onboard app lets the owner control lights, climate, curtains, music, and even the yacht's location with a few taps. Want to sail to Ibiza overnight? It's done before you finish dinner. The super yacht also comes with an armada of toys. 2 custom tenders that match the yacht's color scheme. A submersible that can dive 1,000 feet underwater. Jet skis, flyboards, electric surfboards, underwater drones, and even a mini amphibious car. There's a climate-controlled garage that stores all of them, with hydraulic doors that fold open like the wings of a sci-fi spaceship. And when it's time to explore land, there's a Rolls-Royce and a matching G-Wagon waiting in the aft deck garage. But beyond all the glamour, this yacht is also a symbol of sustainability. It's fitted with solar panels that power the lighting systems, rainwater filtration units, and an onboard garden that grows herbs and vegetables. Waste is processed using advanced filtration systems, and energy use is monitored in real time to reduce emissions. This isn't just a floating playground. It's a floating ecosystem, one that reflects a shift even among the ultra-rich towards environmental consciousness. Only a handful of people on Earth will ever step foot on something like this, let alone own it. For billionaires, this yacht is more than transportation. It's their mobile sanctuary, a fortress of solitude, a statement of power and taste. And as the yacht vanishes into the horizon, leaving behind only a whisper of waves, one thing is clear: this isn't the future of luxury. It's the now.